You sleepy? No. You want to see Dora, don't you? Don't you? Oh, okay, we're gonna play sibling. You're a little crazy guy, aren't you? You're a little crazy. So, Ezra, what are you gonna do tomorrow?
Nothing.
Nothing. What? You're gonna go on the plane tomorrow. On the plane.
And train.
Plane. On the plane.
Train.
Plane.
Train.
Plane.
No train.
You're gonna go on the plane.
Train.
Fine. You're going on the plane.
And the train.
What do you like better? Do you like better planes or trains?
Train.
Trains. Why? Because they're like on the ground.
It's running.
Because running. That makes sense.
Loopy. Let me know it's bleeding.
What happened?
It's bleeding my nose.
Speeding?
It's bleeding.
Oh, your nose is bleeding? Your nose isn't bleeding.
No more.
No more.
Okay.
I don't want to touch it.
You want to touch it?
No. Make Auntie Tiana touch it. She wants to touch it.
No.
She doesn't want to.
Yeah.
So do you want? So do you want to talk about Dora?
No.
No.
It's for girls.
That's for girls. But you like her though, right?
I would.
You're a boy. What are you doing now? So yeah.
So are you gonna miss us, Ezra?
So you laugh about it? You think it's funny? We're gonna miss you. I'm gonna cry when you leave. And Tiana's gonna cry when you leave.
What is that? Is that a snake?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. He hissed.
Oh.
Snake.
You hiss like a snake. Can you bark like a dog?
No, it's but that's it.
Oh. How about a cat?
That cat said,
Wow, you're good. How about a cow? You know, the cows are overrated, huh? You don't like cows?
Moo.
Cows go moo. Yeah. What?
got you.
What are you singing? Oh, let's sing that song you like.
Both of them.